Ladies, some amazing gifting has come in and I just want to show it to you guys and just give you a heads up and give a shout out to the brands. So let's get started. Okay, so first is Sutra, this amazing, look at this thermal brush. You guys know I hate doing my hair, but if I'm gonna do it, this is the way to go. Just having something that dries and, you know, just does it for you with the red light. I don't know, I'm obsessed. So that's amazing. Then we have from Counter, whoops, incredible brand Counter. We've got the Lotus Glow Cleansing Balm. We have a hyaluronic cushion cream. And then we have a soothing facial mask. So that's 3. And then they also sent their daily sheer defense and their Youth Boost NAD Peptide Rich Cream. Okay, so that came in also from my amazing friend Jamie Makeup. She sent a bunch of her sticks, a refill, it's the mist refill, and then the mist bottle. So this is great for travel, you guys. You just fill it, you take it with you, throw it in your purse. And of course her sticks are amazing because they can be used for the eye, lips. I throw it on the cheek, I don't know. Okay, so that's that. Then this amazing perfume, you guys, it's vanilla, because you know I love a vanilla. So this is the brand Maison Louis Marie. It smells, oh, it smells so good. Love vanilla. And I love tuberose and jasmine, like those are my favorites. Okay, so that's that. Then Splendid, you guys, sent 2 beautiful tops. Look at the lavender cardigan, super soft, stretchy. I just love this color. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then the short sleeve polo, because you guys know I love this with like a pair of jeans. They just look so cute. So these are amazing and they're in the size medium. Then this amazing, you guys look at the charger. It's a charger, but it's also, what? Oh, there's Ainsley. Ainsley, I see you in the background. Okay, you guys, so that's actually so cool. So you can like do your makeup, you can touch up, and you've got a charger all in one. That's really cool. Then Steve Madden came in. These are amazing. You guys know I love my boots and I love this color. I wear this even in the summer with skirts, dresses, so cute. And then these with the buckles, a little more edgy, the little kind of moto boot, which you know I love. Great with jorts, skirts, jeans, anything. Super, super cute. Okay, hold. We've got Naked Beauty sent some of their biopeptide firming hydrogel face masks. You guys have tried these, they're really good. And the revitalizing gold infused hydro gel eye mask. Trying these tonight, but I've had the mask. I've done the mask before. I haven't tried the eye patches yet, so I'm really excited about that, but yes. Then we got a package from Signed Off. Look how cute the packaging. I love the yellow. Okay, they sent their mineral sunscreen, sunny side up. They use their Kindly Clean Hydrating Cleanser. I love trying new cleansers in the shower. Then their Comforting Hydration Cloud Level Softness. This is Sincerely Yours. It's a daily moisturizer called So Soft. Roxy, I'm showing all the new products. Okay, and last but not least, it's called Hit Refresh, and it's Soothing Serum Mist. And this is all, look at this, Sincerely Yours, and Sincerely Yours. Okay, and then it's just Signed Off is like on the box. It's so cute, you guys. So I love that. And last but absolutely not least, Lancome. Look at how cute this like toolbox. I'm definitely keeping this. This you can put jewelry in. You can put like makeup products in, right, Ains? Like you can put your jewelry in here. It'd be so cute in like the tin box. And then their new, you know I love my Lancome product. Okay, it's their Genifique Ultimate. Packaging is stunning, and it is it says here, Ultimate Serum. It's your essential high performance solution for more radiant skin and your ultimate skin quality. Very excited. So, oh my God, there's presents underneath. Wait, what? For your eyes. You put this in the freezer. And, oh my God, cryo eye compress. So this is the face, so these are the cryo face globes. So these you freeze and then you massage your face like this for depuffing, for the inflammation. And then look at the eye, they're Cryo eye patches. So you freeze these and then you just place them underneath for a few minutes. This is amazing. Oh my God, I love my Lancome family. And then I'm gonna use the $10. You bet I am. Okay, that is all for today. And I just want to thank all the brands for their generosity. I'm so excited to try everything. And that's all. Have the best day.